Congratulations on your new US Bank account. Let's enable Smart Alerts now. Open the US Bank mobile app and sign in with your username or fingerprint. Tap the menu icon in the top corner, then select Alerts and Notifications. On the Alerts screen, choose Smart Alerts to view available options. Smart Alerts sends transaction, balance, and suspicious activity notifications to you in real time. Toggle Smart Alerts on to begin protecting your account immediately. Choose which accounts to monitor, like checking, savings, or credit accounts. Select the alert types you want: transactions, low balance, large payments, or suspicious activity. Choose how to receive alerts: push notifications, text messages, or email. For low balance and large payments, set the threshold amounts that matter to you. Verify your contact details in the notification settings, then tap Send Test to confirm delivery. You're all set. Keep Smart Alerts on to stay secure and informed in real time.